Hi, welcome to our channel. We are the Margarita Masters, and today we're going to show you how to make a easy frozen margarita recipe. So first you're gonna need a blender and ice, margarita mix, either classic or any flavor that you want, salt or sugar, glasses, limes, and a knife. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using Jose Cuervo, my man, and they make a classic margarita mix that's already pre-mixed so you don't have to add any tequila. And I usually pour in about half a cup of this to every cup of ice. Use your ice crush or pulse button on your blender and blend it. While it's blending, or even after, we're going to go rim our glasses, dip it in a shallow bed of water, and then dab it in the salt or sugar. Alright, for the next step, you're going to add your margarita mix to your glass, 2 limes for garnish. And there you have it, an easy frozen margarita recipe. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and be ready for our next margarita video next week.